Is your KW command database feeling a little bit chaotic? Are you consistently asking yourself, who should I follow up with today? Well, I'm going to break down how to use tags in KW command to take control of your follow-up and build a predictable, scalable business. So let's go. Hey everybody, I'm Bren Brewer, your favorite tech trainer, and today we're doing tags. So let's go ahead and get into command. So what are tags? Tags in command are custom labels that you can apply to any contact to help you group, sort, and filter your database. Think of them like color-coded folders, but way more powerful. Whether you're tagging leads by follow-up frequency, client type, or source, tags make it easy to build SmartViews and take fast action. Let me walk you through how I use tags in my business. I use a follow-up tagging system based on cadence, how often I want to stay in touch with each contact. So I use tags like daily, weekly, quarterly, and monthly. So daily tags are my hot leads or active clients. Weekly are my warmer leads or listing prep clients. Monthly are my past clients, vendors, or nurtures. And quarterly are my SOI, referral partners, and my long-term nurtures. So you can see here on my daily, weekly, quarterly, monthly tags. So here's how you will add or remove tags. You're going to be in command here, and from your home screen, you're just going to click on your name in the top right corner. You're going to click on settings, and you're going to go to command settings, and then contacts, and then contact tags. From here, you're going to click create tag, and you're going to type in daily and click on the color you want it to be and click create tag. Once you've done that, you're going to repeat that process for all the other tags you want. In this instance, we're going to do one for weekly, we're going to do one for monthly, and we're going to do one for quarterly. Now that you have those tags in there, you can go to your contacts and actually tag your people. So what I want you to do is tag several of the people that you want to tag. Then I want you to click on this actions button here, click add tags, and then search for your tag that you want to add to this person. We'll click on the daily one for this example, and I'll click submit, and those will be added to the daily tag. That daily tag will be added to the contact. Do you need ideas for useful tags? This system is going to work across the board. You'll want to tag by source. So let's say you're running Facebook ads, you would tag that person as a Facebook lead, open house, Sphere, Zillow, wherever you're getting that lead, tag it by its source. You can also tag by status. If the buyer is pre-approved, you can put buyer-pre-approved. Or if they're a seller, you can tag them as a seller, or a seller if they want a CMA, seller-needs CMA. Or you can say renter, if they're renters, and you could also add a little dash lease ends soon. So those are all good tags to use by their status and then also by their follow-up needs. So if you want to send a monthly newsletter to these people in your database, you'll tag everyone with newsletter, and you'll just repeat the steps that we did before with adding the tag, and then you will also go and add the tag to the contact that you want to have that tag. Some good ones are monthly newsletter, quarterly check-in, birthday club, closing anniversary. The key to tagging is to only tag what you'll use to filter and follow up. If you will never search by that term, don't use it as a tag. So without a tagging system, your follow-up is going to become super random. So tags plus the smart view in command equals consistency. And consistency builds trust, gets you referrals, and helps you scale without dropping the ball. So now that your tags are in place, you can filter by those tags and adjust your columns and save that filter as a smart view. You'll name it something like daily follow-up or newsletter group, and now it's just one click away to get a focused task list every time you log in. So let me show you guys how to create a smart view. So we're back in command. We want to click our filter button. We want to click on tags, and we want to search for daily. That's our daily contacts. We'll click apply, and then everyone that comes up will be daily. If you don't want everything to show here, you can click customize columns and only turn on the columns that you actually need. For this instance, if this is my daily call list, I only need to see the phone number and probably the last time I talked to them. I'm going to click apply. It's going to change my column and make this easily accessible for me. Once I'm done with what I want the columns to look like, I'll click Create Smart View. I'll name my Smart View. And then if I want this to be in Command as my default view, I can click this box. If I don't want it to be my default view, I'll just click Save Smart View. My default view will still remain my all contacts, but I can come in here and pull in my daily call list. So you'll default to all your contacts, but when you're ready to make your calls, you'll click on your daily call list that we just made. You'll want to repeat that process for weekly, quarterly, and monthly. And also, pro tip, when these contacts in your database need to be contacted in a different frequency, then you'll need to remove and update those tags as often as necessary. So let's say I made contact with this person. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna click the edit button, and I'm gonna change his tag from daily to quarterly. And now he will be on my quarterly call list instead of my daily. And that's how you would update that. So make sure you're updating your tags, especially for the call lists. So I hope you guys are gonna start tagging smarter today. It's gonna change the way you work your database forever. And if you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment letting me know which tags you use in Command, and I'll see you next time. Enjoying this video? Say thanks by sending your referrals my way. I work with buyers and sellers in Houston, Conroe, Spring, and the Woodlands, Texas. And yes, I pay referral fees. You'll find my info in the description, or you can text me at 281-468-5145. Hope to hear from you soon.